Hi all. Well, there's exciting news. There's a new update, software update for the Equinox range of detectors, and it's supposed to improve the discrimination for ferrous targets, helping you to eliminate all of those rusty bottle caps and nails, etc. that you keep picking up. So I'm keen to use it and to try it out, and I thought I'll just go over to the website and download the software. Pretty simple to do. Just go onto the website, you'll find the software there for Macs and for Windows. Download it and install it with the instructions supplied into your detector. Then I went out and set up a little bit of a target area on a brick base, and under the brick base there's some concrete reinforcing. The steel in that reinforcing made it impossible to detect before. So and it's an ideal place to check out the new firmware upgrades. So I put out a couple of targets with little nuggets ranging from 0.01 of a gram all the way up to a 5-ounce piece of gold. There was a tiny little 0.01, a 0.1, a 1 grammer, a 2.1 grammer, a 3 gram little nugget, a 5 gram nugget, and then a big piece of 5 ounces gold. Okay, so we are running in standard gold 2 mode, standard factory settings, nothing different. It's gold 2. Okay, and I've got everything on the default. So let me start off first of all with the big 5-ounce piece. And you can see that's coming up as a nice solid 33, 34, 35. And I can go with the with my little 6-inch coil, probably close on about a foot off the ground before I lose that. Then 5 grammer showing up, different numbers, coming up with a pretty steady 17 to 19. 3 grammer, similar, very similar, maybe a little bit less. 2.1 gram, also showing up 15, 16, 14, 15, 16. The 1 grammer is showing up as a between, jumping around a little bit between 11 and 12 and down to 8. The 0.1 gram, that's a totally different ballpark, showing up really low, 2 to 3, 4 maybe. As I go closer, it's jumping a little bit between 8, and then the sub-grammer, which is 0.01 gram. So to sum up, it seems that the reinforcing steel rods underneath the bricks are not being picked up. The new firmware or software is working well. The other interesting thing that I noticed here was that all the different sizes of gold are coming up with different numbers. So don't use the numbers as an indicator of what to dig and what not to dig. My advice is dig all targets. Whether they're 37, you might miss out on a 5-ounce nugget, all the way down to 8 or even 2, where you might find a very small little nugget. But dig all your targets and trust your detector. Okay, so in my opinion, if you have installed Update 2, you're likely to pick up a lot less junk. and also help you to find gold if you walk over it. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button. Thank you for watching.